Hi, it's meteorologist Joe Fury in the Storm Team 8 Weather Center. Hope you had a nice weekend. A little snow in there Saturday evening. Coated things up, made it slippery. Might be a little bit of a surprise there. We talked about the chance for a few snow showers. And, of course, the last week, a really amazing statistic. There have been 7 days in a row with the daytime temperature at or below 32, and that was at the shoreline. 6 days in a row at or below 32 inland. In other words, the shoreline went a longer period of time at or below 32 than inland did, which is way back on the 15th when Bradley was 33 and Sikorsky was at 30. A real solid week of winter weather, snow on the ground with the ponds freezing up, some ice skating started happening, and now it all goes away as we go back to the weather that we had with the warmer temperatures and the wet conditions. But in order to transition to that, still a little bit of wintry weather to deal with. We have the full wolf moon coming up this week. We are going to have a hard time seeing that. And as we see down the road into February, it looks like the warmer temperatures are going to be sticking around right through the first week of February. Maybe winter comes back after that. But a week like what we just experienced isn't coming for at least a couple of weeks. As far as what we're dealing with, a little snow. Now, there's going to be some snow around in the air during the day tomorrow, but it's tomorrow night when whatever precipitation in the liquid or mixed form that's around during tomorrow is going to be going back over to some snow with a half an inch to maybe an inch and a slipperiness going into the Wednesday morning commute. And then during the day Wednesday, not a whole lot going on. And then we're talking about Wednesday night and the Thursday, a steadier and heavier rain, and some places get up and over an inch of rain. And that's what I mean by we're going back to where we were in terms of the rain and maybe some localized flooding. So let's put the maps in motion. Tuesday morning rush is fine. And then as we head past 9 o'clock in the morning, there's the snow on the hills and the rain and mix elsewhere. That's the case into the sunset time. Although you guys up in Litchfield County, you're getting coated up and you can be slick in the high elevations during the day tomorrow. And then everybody can be slick tomorrow night as all of a sudden that precipitation changes over to snow almost everywhere. And that's your, half an inch to an inch of snow and the slipperiness going into the Wednesday morning commute. And then during the day Wednesday, there's not a whole lot going on. Some scattered rain, sleet, and snow showers. Temperatures are in the 30s, near 40 at the coast. And then here comes the steadier and heavier rain Wednesday night into Thursday. Temperatures going up into the 40s in some spots, and that's when you could be picking up a good 3/4 of an inch to an inch of rain, maybe even more. It's a very wet day Thursday. It's raining. And then look at Friday. It starts wet, then dry for the afternoon, pleasant. It's into the 50s on Friday. All of a sudden, Friday afternoon ends up being like early April. Really nice. And then, it looks like we're going to be just cloudy on Saturday. Look at this. More steady and heavy rain going into Saturday night and Sunday. That's not good. So 20s tonight, mostly cloudy. Could be a few flurries around. Cloudy with a rain and mix during the day on Tuesday, and then mix and snow at night. That can coat things up and make it a little slick into the Wednesday morning commute. Otherwise, we're up near 40 on Wednesday. Mostly cloudy. Could be a scattered rain or mixed shower, but not a whole lot going on during the day. Steady rain Wednesday night and Thursday is a rainy day. And then we go ahead to Friday in the 50s with a wet start, but then maybe a little sun comes out. Yeah, all of a sudden the tulips and crocuses will be coming up. And, of course, whatever snow's on the ground is going to be gone, and the ponds are going to start melting again, and you won't be able to skate. And then the next storm comes along over the course of the weekend, and now it looks like that wants to be a rainstorm and what we first thought might be a snowstorm. And then the first week of February is looking warm, mild, above average. So we're going to look back at all this and say we had 1 week of winter in the winter of 23-24. And so, let's see what happens as we head beyond the first week of February. But for now, the warmer and unsettled weather is on the way. Gil, he's back on Tuesday morning with the very latest update. I hope you're feeling well. Bye.